Hey everyone, and welcome back. New to ClickUp and feeling overwhelmed? In this video, I'll break down the core parts of its interface that you'll use every day on the free plan. Think of it like this. ClickUp organizes work from big to small. At the top, you have spaces. These are like separate departments or big projects. Everything for marketing or web. Development can be its own space. Inside a space, you create folders. These group-related goals. In your marketing space, you might have a social media folder and a blog content folder inside each folder. Create lists. This is where your actual tasks live. Your social media folder could have a weekly posts list and an analytics review list. Finally, views are how you look at those tasks. The free plan gives you powerful views like the list view for a simple checklist, the board view like Trello for stages, and the calendar view for deadlines. You can switch between these views instantly to see your work. It's the way that makes the most sense for you. And that's it. That's the hierarchy. Spaces greater than folders, greater than lists, greater than tasks. And you can view it all in multiple ways. If you organize your work in ClickUp, let me know your favorite view in the comments. See you in the next one.